Spices name: turmeric,
Turmeric.
cumin,
Cumin.
coriander,
Coriander.
black pepper,
Black pepper.
clove,
Clove.
cinnamon,
Cinnamon.
cardamom,
Cardamom.
mustard seeds,
Mustard seeds.
fenugreek,
Fenugreek.
asafoetida,
Asafoetida.
fennel seeds,
Fennel seeds.
star anise,
Star anise.
nutmeg,
Nutmeg.
mace,
Mace.
bay leaf,
Bay leaf.
dried red chili,
Dried red chili.
green chili,
Green chili.
saffron,
Saffron.
ajwain,
Carom seeds.
nigella seeds,
Nigella seeds.
kironji,
Kironji.
sesame seeds,
Sesame seeds.
poppy seeds,
Poppy seeds.
tamarind,
Tamarind.
garlic powder,
Garlic powder.
ginger powder,
Ginger powder.
onion powder,
Onion powder.
curry leaves,
Curry leaves.
black salt,
Black salt.
rock salt,
Rock salt.
white pepper,
White pepper.
long pepper,
Long pepper.
allspice,
Allspice.
paprika,
Paprika.
oregano,
Oregano.
thyme,
Thyme.
rosemary,
Rosemary.
basil,
Basil.
parsley,
Parsley.
dill seeds,
Dill seeds.
celery seeds,
Celery seeds.
anise seeds,
Anise seeds.
caraway seeds,
Caraway seeds.
sumac,
Sumac.
lemongrass,
Lemongrass.
licorice,
Licorice.
flax seeds,
Flax seeds.
Italian seasoning,
Italian seasoning.
chili flakes,
Chili flakes.
vanilla,
Vanilla.
garam masala,
Garam masala.